Hello? That's my shadow.
Most likely, our building.
What, you deserve to die?
I think so.
You get it.
It's a secret thing.
A secret? You gonna tell us a secret? Psychological?
That is.
Let me walk all the way down this side. Like over here and like shine it down.